Kimberly, we're going to see if we can help you with your uneven hammock here. So the first step is that you just want to untie your hammock knots. We've got a GIF of this on the website if you need some help as well. If you remove this, and then the thing that's making it uneven right now is that one of these sides is just tied a little uneven. So if you haven't used your hammock enough, this knot might be loose enough to undo. And you undo that knot, even your hammock back out and retie a knot there. If you're unable to untie this knot, you can sometimes just retie another knot above it by moving the yarn out of the way and then doing that first. If you're able to get that all sorted out, hopefully that works. If not, we can just send you a new upper string here. That way you'll be able to cut this one off, put a new one in, tie it evenly right the first time, and then you'll sit a lot comfier. It sometimes happens during production. So I hope that helps. Thanks.